How do you register at Halcyon Trader Funding? That's what we're going to be answering in this quick video. But first, as always, my name is Ryan. I'm the co-founder of Prop Firms Compared. We help prop firm traders find the best challenge for them at the best price with the best discount and the best trading conditions. We also give as much back to our community as possible. We're constantly running giveaways and bespoke discounts. For example, if you register and use code PFC or the link below to purchase, you'll get up to 50% off. But also, when you pass and when you get a payout, you'll also get a free challenge as well. So make sure you use code PFC and register with Halcyon. They're fantastic. Straight into the video, let's go. So registering is actually quite straightforward with Halcyon, and it's probably one of the easiest firms to sign up with. The one thing you'll notice is there is no sign up button in the navigation. You have to click Trader Login. And then when you get here, obviously you're not registered yet, so click Create Account. Now, I've already opened a window here, and this is what it looks like after you click Create Account. I've just put in some dummy details for the time being. So, fairly straightforward. Add in your personal email, personal information, so your name, your email, confirm your email, phone number. This is all dummy data, by the way. And add a password. It must be 8 characters. Include upper and lowercase, and include a number as well. And then also add in your address information. I don't know what's address information, just your address. And then you get to the terms and verification. I won't skip over this. It is so important that you understand these, and it's the same with any firm that you register to. Any slight misunderstanding in the rules or the conditions could lead to a breach in your account, and you don't want that. Now, let's be honest, no one's going to read all of these in details. However, what you can do is open each of them, copy all the text, put it into ChatGPT and just say, look, I am thinking of registering with Halcyon as a prop firm trader. Is there anything in here that I should know as a trader relating to conditions, trading conditions, and all that sort of stuff? However you want to phrase it. Just get AI to summarize it and highlight anything that could potentially lead to a breach. You need to understand what those are. And that's why it's so important that you just, when you tick these, you actually understand them. And when you click Create Account, you'll get an email to your email just to confirm that you are the email address holder, after which you will be able to get access to your dashboard and then purchase an account. Anyway, nice and straightforward. A lot of you probably already know this. I hope some information around here was quite interesting, but I'll be doing more of these, and thank you for listening.